If you want to add a completely new part to the catalog, you can do this by creating a component and using the Plant 3D Shape browser to find suitable geometry as a base. Let's walk through creating a new weld neck flang and adding it to our catalog. First, navigate to your exercise file and open the catalog. In this case, go to Desktop, Exercise Files, Adding New Part, then open the ASME Pipes and Fittings catalog. Next, launch the Catalog Editor and create a new component. Start by entering some basic details. The catalog already includes predefined family data, including templates for schedule, class, and pressure, so all we need to do is assign the appropriate category. We'll choose flanges for the category, set the piping component type, and for the end type, select FL to indicate a flang. Let's enter a short description, linked in flang, and define a single size for now, 2-inch. At this point, you can assign a graphic. If you're comfortable using AutoCAD 3D and have pre-modeled solids, you could import them. However, for this class, we'll stick with Plant 3D's parametric graphics. If you don't see the shape you need, check the Advanced Shape options. Here, you'll find additional geometry, especially for components like valves. Choose the closest match and adjust the parametric dimensions as needed. In our case, return to Flang, select a standard weld neck flang, and click Create. You'll now see the new flange listed at the top and in the catalog browser, where we can start populating its information. Start by entering a long description. For example, flang weld neck, 150 pounds, raised face, ASME B16.5, linked in. Next, set the compatible standard to ASME B16.5, specify a manufacturer, and set material to CS, carbon steel. Now we'll define the connection properties, end type, flange, facing, raised face, pressure class, 150 pounds, schedule, 40. This provides us with essential port and facing information. Next, let's add the size-specific data. Under the size dialog, we'll focus on the 2-inch nominal diameter. Enter the corresponding pipe outside diameter, 2.375. Set the flange thickness to 0.75 inch. Update the long description for the size to include the diameter, flang 2-inch, weld neck, 150 pounds, raised face, ASME B16.5, linked in. You can leave the item code blank for now. Set the weight to 6 pounds. Once all required data is entered, click Save to Catalog. If prompted about matching ports, check the box for all ports have the same properties. This ensures both port 1 and port 2 share identical data, so you only need to input the details once. Click Save to Catalog again. Now you'll see your fully specified part listed. By leveraging the shape browser and parametric data, you can quickly create new parts without needing a project administrator to design new geometry. The part will be appropriately sized in your model and will generate correctly in the isometric drawings with accurate spec information.